Whew, that's loud. We're gonna listen for it to tick. It's making the rattling, but it's the blades are rattling. I must have not put them in tight enough, but I know it's gonna tick. Maybe it does that whenever the globe is on. I'm gonna go ahead and put that on and see what happens. Here we go. Kind of looks like a flush-mounted Hampton Bay Grayton with 3 blades. The globe's rattling. Maybe it's something. Let me tighten that a little bit. That's the chain rattling. Oh, I know it's gonna tick. I'll try something. I'll try it with the blades on square, or like move the blade next to this blade, and then maybe it'll make it tick. Because if not, then maybe it has something to do with the motor housing or something. Like these. This right here, or is part of here, and when that whole base wobbles around, so when that whole base wobbles around, it wiggles. It wiggles this part. It wiggles the part right here, and that can make the part over here, like the screws here, that could be making, that hold the motor housing, that could be making this tick, or maybe it's just, or maybe some, but I can see that there's some, that the screws are just, I can see one that's loose. Let me check that out. I can just move that with my finger. You're supposed to not be able to do that, but with the other one, it's supposed, that one I just moved before this one, that's what it's supposed to be like. It's supposed to be like this and this, but I kind of decide not to tighten it. I don't want to make it, I don't want it to be too firmly on there, Because if something happened to it, because if something's firmly on there, it could get jerked off if hit. If it's hit and then you get hit by the blades, it could jerk the fan off. So that's why I'm leaving it loosely on here. And I gotta like somehow fix that ticking without having to tighten the screws. That's gotta be coming from there. Because it could be the motor housing. It could be echoing to the motor housing, and the motor housing must be affecting the sound. All right, I'll see you in the next one and give you and tell you how it runs with the blade moved there. All right.